Hi, welcome back. Aurum here. Today we continue our playthrough in Wuthering Waves version 3.3, Reformed from the End of the Galaxies. Last time in Wuthering Wave, we enter the Keystone and activate Exos Rider. So the whole event, the whole sequence took like, a few minutes, and then we lost Exos Rider in the Starter Gate. And yeah, the fourth dimension, interesting when we do the thing in the inside. So yeah, interstellar concept of fourth dimension. We don't know how fourth dimension look like technically, but that's just what people say the most scientific way to explain fourth dimension, that the whole interstellar movie. Anyway, why are we talking about interstellar? But in that scene, so we have a few things to say. Let's ignore the fact that the Exos Rider just went from the Frostland into the Starter Gate teleportly, I guess. I don't know how we enter. I still don't know how we enter the underground area. Like physical, magical, teleport, scientific. I don't know. I don't think anybody care about it, right? Just assume that everything's fine, nothing wrong when they enter the underground area. So yeah, inside the Starter Gate, first thing first, the whole plan, the whole Amiat plan. So Amiat was planning for this. I think she realized, she 100% sure that we, as a savior, will always trying to help and rescue her. That's why the exoswarm to her exists. That's for that purpose, I guess. Not only that, that's basically the only way for her to make sure that's basically Amiat has a plan. I think we don't know the plan yet from the Amiat POV, but one of the requirement was to bring something. Basically, the whole thing with the coordinate, you're gonna see the later section of the story. So the cassette, yes, her own cassette is important for this. And then also, that's why, again, the exoswarm Amiat exists in the first place, I guess. I thought the original purpose was so that she able to enter the exoswarm of herself and then, become normal again, even though technically it's not human, it's exoswarm. But then again, why we think about exoswarm now? So we don't know what we don't know what's gonna happen to Exos Rider at the end of this story. If Exos Rider disappear at the end and no more, then every single exoswarm will be Donzo. Then, considering exoswarm technically part of the Exos Rider originally. So I wonder what happened in the landscape after the end. I don't know, unless Exos Rider just present in Laheroi moving forward after the whole deal finish. We will see. Anyway, back to the story. So yeah, the whole thing with cassette tape, that was interesting. The other thing interesting is Denia. Yes. Well, and Nivora as well, but Denia first. So Denia didn't really showing herself. It just this is basically a hint of her forte, Denia's forte, whatever that is. And I think I said before that Denia presumably will be the one that Nivora want to do the whole thing with second awakening and the whole Trinodian resonator stuff, or maybe a Sentinel resonator and blah blah blah. I don't know. So I assume she gonna be alive one resonator, but then the people keep mentioning void matter. I am guessing, I don't know if void matter and alive one the same thing, but maybe what I'm seeing from this thing, from that scene where we see the hand thing, the Nia stuff, I assuming that she will be, or maybe she already is, a void matter resonator, whatever that's supposed to mean. I still think alive one is void matter, so I guess it's a technical alive one. I don't know, we'll see. Not considering she gonna be the one we fight at the end. The whole spoil thing, weekly boss, but it is what it is. But one thing to Nivora, we have this image of Nivora, giving the hand, like, here, grab my hand or something. I don't know what she does What is that supposed to mean? Why we have Nivora image there? Is that our hallucination? Or Nivora actually do something there? I don't know. That's weird. Or maybe what we're seeing here is not from Nivora, not from our perspective. That is Denia perspective. So Denia, Nivora, you know, extend her hand to Denia, then that's basically Denia POV. We somehow seeing Denia POV for some reason. Possibly, considering we know in the cutscene, not in the cutscene, in the live stream, we saw Denia and Nivora scene. Remember when Denia eyes? I don't know what happened with it. I don't know if that is part of the Arc 5 or Denia segue. We don't know yet. I think probably Denia segue. I don't any maybe probably. So that one scene. After that scene done, we teleported back to the academy, especially not just any location, but the location where Amayat disappeared. So I assume Amayat was the one who helped us come back from Stargate, or that, and then possibly Hyuki as well. Remember the whole thing that Hyuki gave us at the end of that video? I assume that we're gonna use that letter, or maybe we already did. That's how we end up outside of Stargate, because Hyuki mentioned that if you didn't find a way, just use the thing, and then you just use the paper bird thing. I don't know what you call it. Familiar? Well, Shikigami. That's not anyway. To lead the way to leave Stargate. So I don't know if the thing is because of that or because of Amayat, and the whole thing with Hyuki will be used later on. We will see, but. Yes, at first when we arrived in Lahairoi, again, I assumed, it doesn't look like the area feel darker. So I assume it was, in the future or in the parallel universe. But no, it is just the day after. Apparently, something big happened when we left. I think the moment we unseal the Exos Rider thing, the Strider Gate, the void matter spike, and then Lahairoi is engulfed in this thing. Is it because of us then? Are we the cause of that? Maybe it was the plan. The Fractious plan was originally also using the Stargate to ensure that. Here's the thing. The Fractious plan during the Dark Side in 3.2 was to find out about memory type resonator. We still have not figured out why they need memory type resonator. I wonder if that plan will be something we will see soon. Is it because of Denia memory? I don't know. We will see. So yeah, in the end, everyone worried, and then we go to the Institute Star Space Tech Collective in Sundermere. What I found interesting is, before doing that, I just, maybe we should check people. And I checked the Shaper, because remember, the Shaper was alone inside the Solusium, and I assumed that he cannot leave. But then, I guess he can. I don't remember when did he say that he cannot leave. Maybe, that just because of the job. But now that something happened, maybe it's time for me to go out and then seek evacuate or something. Anyway, that's what happened. Everyone went to the institute, every single one, including Rorian. And maybe we're still searching for people. Again, this happened, like I said, yeah, when we go to the area, the whole thing, the area where Helios is now become Drive replica location. Sigrika mentioned that, they're still finding people, so basically they're still rescuing people, which means the whole thing happened not a day ago, but more like a few hours prior to our arrival to the Lahairoi again. Anyway, we do a lot of difficult talk with the rest of the crew, especially Morne. She, the one who more understand the whole thing with the plan, I guess. And then Luke doesn't present there, which I assume we're gonna see Luke somewhere in the next scene. I mean Hyuki as well, but we told Hyuki was protecting. She was basically in the underground still, based on her message. But Luke message didn't say anything about where Luke is, so we're gonna see hopefully Luke in the next scene. But throughout those scenes, every character there for a reason, right, for a purpose, except for one person. I said Chisa feel out of place there, and not just Chisa. I actually think Chisa, Sigrika, and Linai not really. They're technically normal students, in the sense that their importance is the same as the other student in the Aero, except that they know us directly. That's the only difference, and then that's why they present there. The other one is make sense there because of how important they are to this project, especially they are the lead. Well, Lucilla and we saw Chase later on, also the lead of the thing in Laheroy. Mornya as part of the thing, and then Shepard, well, they need his help to whole thing with the reactor replicating. But the three students there simply because they know us. Well, at least Sigrika have purpose in a sense that as a Royan and also able to lead Rune, she helping the other Heldic 6, I guess, makes sense. Again, the future Heldic 6 thing. Practically Heldic 6 1 now, but I don't know anymore now because I don't know what's gonna happen after this whole situation. Are they gonna go back to usual stuff? But maybe they will, but we will see. Linai and Sisa, to be I still both of them kind of out of place. But at least for Linai, she have some input in the whole dialogue, because when a character present, usually they have something to say, or the story demanding them to do something in that conversation. Like the Shepherd, when I said that, why the Shepherd following us to the next room, remember? And then yes, because we need him to do something with the whole coordinate, makes sense. That's why she have seen. But I feel like Chisa, especially Chisa there. Well, I know that Chisa's character, she a shy character, which even makes sense. If she a shy character, doesn't that mean she will be in the background? I mean, not the background. She not even. I mean, the only reason they are here because they are playable character and also the people who know us directly, except for Luke again. I don't know where he is. But even in 3.2, remember Chisa? I feel like Chisa present in 3.3 is kind of similar in a sense. The developer just add her in the story for the sake of it. I feel like if you remove Chisa in that line, in that storyline, in the 3.2, the whole thing with Elsa thing, even without Chisa, it still worked the same way. I mean, yes, sure, Chisa kind of like helping the other student council at the end, leading the way out, but I feel like they still, I feel like they just, I don't know, I feel like she's an extra, which I'm, hopefully she's not. Her forte is strong, remember, 2.8, so I hope they're gonna utilize her based on her skill. Well, I guess currently they utilize her based on her personality. Again, I understand that she didn't say anything there, but I feel like there's something more than that, because the camera keep panning at her as if the developer say, look, Chisa is here, remember her or something. Like, I feel like she's gonna be something important or something, I don't know. Beside the whole, I don't know, the reason, like again, character appear for a reason, right? Luke is not here because she's doing something. Shepard present because he gonna do something in the scene, and the character also have some input in the conversation. But if the character just, I don't know. Well, we're gonna continue after this, so maybe she's gonna say something when we talk with her. When I think we can talk with the people around before we do the mission. When we go in, we continue the story. So yeah, we will see. Again, I really have high hope for her, especially because her forte is so unique. Well, I don't know about unique, but an ability to slash time and space, even though inside the Sonorous Sphere. I don't know if she's able to do that outside, but we will see. That's very interesting. I said something that maybe she's gonna help us with Amiya, but then again, we have Yuki. I feel like Yuki is more in line with Amiya Rescue for now because of the story. Well, before Yuki was introduced, I assume Chisa will be the one, but Now, Hyuki will be the highest priority for that, in my opinion. Anyway, that's all the recap and also speculation, I guess, what's gonna happen. I have a note, by the way. I remember that in the last video I forgot to check. So yes, I did check the whole thing with X-Rider moving in 3.2. It is not a dream sequence. When Ensiglu putting the core reactor drive, including Amiat in it, into the Exos Rider move. I mean, Amiat move Exos Rider. Not just move as in moving hand, but also moving the leg. So why the academy or the institute who probably pay attention to Exos Rider, is on the background like huge thing. Remember the Chicha, not the Chicha, the Lucilla and Hyuki scene? They're pretty much looking after Exos Rider. Shouldn't they realize that Exos Rider move? Like, move, what happened? Or maybe, any surprise or something, but no, I don't think anyone ever thought about that. Like, really? But sure, I guess. I don't think, anyway. The other note that I said I'm gonna check was the whole thing with Amiya's disappearance, that no one seemed to be searching for her. I guess maybe they did 10 years ago, but when we first met Lucille at the beginning, Lucille didn't mention anything about cassette tape. So here's the thing, maybe again a cassette that the Amiyat cassette that we bring with to the thing, to the plane, is the cassette empty or something, or the content of that cassette is just everyone already checked that cassette and then assume Amiyat just disappear from Amiyat Filosofi. And here's the thing, what I want to know. This is something I've never seen. Can anyone, technically yes, anyone can check the content of the cassette, and then when you play the cassette, if you use the monitor to see the footage of the someone memory, are we seeing the thing from their perspective, from their eyes, or from their mind? Because it is if it's from their eyes, it makes sense if the tape will suddenly be seeing Amiyat in the cockpit looking something and then poof, disappear. And since the cassette tape is there and not go with Amiyat, I guess the footage end there, or unless if we seen from the character memory that like inside their mind, not just the vision, that like visual, the eyes. Shouldn't the cassette also include the thing that Amiyat saw during the whole, piloting that simulation thing? Seeing what happened to Royan, like what the one with Hyuki do. Remember that talk with Hyuki and Lucilla in the dimmer plane? So I don't know if now I will never know, because the content is changed. It become the whole coordinate stuff, which I assume something we will do. I still believe, I guess it was obvious that Amiyat was the one who do the whole coordinate. So now, if the plan is that if we know this coordinate, we can find out where the location of the current void storm, maybe, or maybe there are another reason for that. Let's see. I think yes, there are more than just a coordinate for the void storm. If I remember, that's what Rover said. We will see. We'll use a lot of different people help now. A lot of different people. What am I saying? A lot of people. So let's go in and let's continue. Yes, the recap is a bit long for this one, simply because of the whole deal with story progression. But at the time of this recording, by the way, the Dolby Atmos stuff thing is not yet to be seen, since I haven't uploaded. It's already been scheduled, but it's not released yet. So I cannot check if the sound is good or not. So for now, let's just pretend everything fine. But before we continue, as usual, I forgot. Not as usual. I'm gonna check something. I remember I said last time that, are they using this. Like, look at this. This is the reactor drive that fall down. The replica, is that this thing? They use the same. No, it's not. It's still here. So I guess it's they use just the blueprint, not the actual object. They didn't really do anything about this. They just let this here. Anyway, one other location. And this is technically overworld map, which means we're able to switch map, and we can check Frostland surface. Yes, and I wanna check. Is this the location where I can say no? This is one is the better spot to check Exostrider, which technically still here because we not completed the story yet, which means the map will not update yet. Usually, we will see if Exostrider still there, standing. I mean, sitting menacingly. Or not. Wait, where is Exostrider supposed to be again? I don't remember. I don't see anything here. Wait, isn't it supposed to be maybe this location? No, which one is the better way to see Exostrider again? I don't remember. I thought the teleportation that close to Exostrider. I haven't unlocked it, so I don't know. Wait a minute, is something here missing? I feel like this is different. There was supposed to be something here, a land. Let's go to where Lucilla saw Exostrider. That's probably the closest thing I can think of. This is where Lucilla saw Exostrider. Slumbering Exostrider. Yes, let's see. Timid Celeskin, hello. Oh, wow, it's gone. Okay, so the location is updated. Exostrider is. Wait a minute, it's including all of the map. I always seen the seagull drop every time I went here. Are they die? So yeah, it's gone, including the sheet. I thought we left the sheet here, but no. So what? Remember? Okay, so remember when I said about there's something here that curving, that shining curve. I thought there was something important, but then again, I guess that part of the Exostrider location. Did it disappear? Including the seed. I thought we only picked the sword. Where the seed goes, I don't know. Interesting. So it's gone now. Bye, Exostrider. I wonder if we're gonna see you again, maybe on different location. Anyway, so that's all for the thing we're gonna check. Let's go continue the story now. So progress has been made in activating the Exostrider. What? But we already did activating in the. What do you mean? This weird. The description feel backward. Okay, speaking of that, remember the whole replica thing? I feel like they say something about canopy. Is that somewhere here? Can we check the canopy in the Frostland? Because they said something in the orbit. I assume it was Solaris orbit. I don't know. There, maybe at the top of. So, this is the thing. I forgot. Isn't that thing the scarab? Sander Mere. Isn't this the scarab? I just saw something. I know it's already gone, so I don't know. So in the cutscene, the Exostrider was over here, and then he picked the sword near it. Maybe the sword is here. Like that is the sword. That. Let's go. One more teleportation. I think the best way to see that is from the tallest mountain, Galahorn. Maybe it's too tall. I cannot see a thing from this perspective. So yeah, I guess technically, yeah. Okay. So I forgot. I assume the great sword is near Exos Rider, which I shouldn't probably assume that, because we know that the whole entrance, the whole institute was built on the sword. So yeah, that thing over there, that is the scarab. I mean the seat. But from the cutscene, I don't see any building below, but I guess maybe the angle just pointing upward. So yeah, this thing, is that anything change here? I didn't pay attention. Maybe the tip is gone technically because the sword is picked up. So I mean I didn't pay attention about this. Maybe I should before. I don't think I have any recording looking at this direction, because who look at this from this angle? But yes, this is the seat, which yeah, when the extrader picked the sheet, I don't think we saw that thing below. So I assume. So I still don't know how Exos Rider enter underground area now. I don't know, considering it's water above. Yeah, that is the scarab. I mean the sword. So basically, it pick up over here. Exos Rider move from there, walking up to this section, and then almost pick up the whole thing. I mean, Roper forgot that this is the gate inside the Lahairoi, and then oops, never mind, then only pick up the sword. Anyway, let's teleport. What? Why we start here? I thought we start in the institute. Interesting. Can I use? Yes, this one. So well, I think last time as well. No. Last time we were starting from. Well, I don't remember. But thankfully, it continued, not reset from the start. The Segway one was reset, so. Hello everyone. This is technically the past. This image here, all of these people, this is the past. Napolika, is you still here, Napolika? Yeah, I still here, Napolika. See you in the future, guys. I wonder you guys will be here or not after this whole thing done, considering it will change the landscape. Well, not the landscape, the people. Oh, they are. Oh, go back to the crisis talk. Relive that time when it was in. Wait a second. Can you make a simpler option like continue or restart? So which one is continue? Go back to the Crisis Institute or relive that time when the Research Institute was in crisis? What do you mean? This option feel weird. Okay, I assume the top one is continue, the bottom one is reset. But why is it really that time? Currently we still that time. We're still in crisis. I don't know, let's see. Hopefully the top one is continue. Usually there are, because you know someone could possibly misclick and then pick the top one immediately after they're near this thing, which means the best one for the developer to do is, I mean, what am I saying? Should be continue. Well, even if it's reset, I can just skip anyway. So yeah, we need to leave the cassette deposit. Okay, this is the inside asset. Yeah, I remember this. So can I see everyone before we do anything? Hello, everyone. I mean, when I said everyone, the playable character. I don't see. Where are you guys? We have a mission, remember? I don't remember the mission. Something to do with coordinate, checking the coordinate or something. Oh, we have. Hello, student. What are you doing? is it the rune thing? Okay, Sigrika giving the rune.
これがロイのルーン。
Yes, you speak. Yes, Chisa. Okay, they didn't say anything. Okay, they frozen in place. They frozen. So Sigrika giving the rune not just to me. I thought we are special, Sigrika, but to everyone as well. Funny enough, technically every single Hail D6 able to do this. Hopefully the other did the same, not just Sigrika alone.
不思議。魔法みたい。
Yes, it is magic, right? I think.
これがロイのルーン。
Yes, you speak. Tisa. Okay, we have Separ as well with
みんなを
Lucilla.
班に分けて順次出発させるわ。
ええ、それではロイのルーンに関する説明を行いましょう。
So where's Luke now? Morji? You're alone, so I notice again not talking. I don't see any Blackshore member. I wonder where they are. Technically they here.
私が責任を持って、コレクティブの技術流出を防ぐために管理しなくては。
Ayashi, what do you mean leak?
みんなを班に分
To
けて
who? To
順次
me?
出発させるわ。
To Praxidus?
それでは
I thought it's already been leaked then.
私が責任を持って、
Remember, so long as Grand Architect exists,
コレクティ
there's
ブ
no
の技
such a
術流
thing
出を防ぐ
as secret.
管理しなくては。
Because, you know, Grand Architect just know every... Oh, the act of... What? I thought it was glass. So anyone else? I think that's all we've seen in the... Yeah, I don't see any... I don't see any Blackshore. I wonder where they are. And Luke, are we gonna see you somewhere after we go outside? Bye everyone. I don't remember what I did. What I did again? I don't. The description left the cassette depository, but then in this it said, "Still Lotun to Rairo Amish for Storm." I don't know. Why didn't they already have different description? I mean, not description. You know. Are you? No. Are you? No, they just synchronize. Sure. Yes. Okay, so the 31 people here, including Nana, student council president. I'm gonna read. Can you drop? Okay, it on. Preliminary development is complete. All teams must reach the sector on schedule. The teacher team must reach the high risk zone ahead of time, beginning full sector. Yeah, I remember first. This is the first teacher we meet when we enter the faculty office with Alina back then in the beginning in 3.0. Student council president. So we don't know who the president is, but we've seen council member, including Isla, one of them, and the other one I forgot the other student. I don't think they have name. If they did, I don't remember because we only seen one time in that Dark Side episode. We engage a ravaging one horde. Okay, and somehow Nana, just Nana, specifically Nana, medical. Okay, medical unit. I see. Or deploys sector-wide, standing by. It's interesting. So Nana technically part of the Startouch nursery infirmary, right? I wonder if the institute don't have any medical facility or something, and somehow the infirmary is the only medical facility in Lahairoi. Like, I don't think so. I don't think the student infirmary, the school infirmary in Startouch Academy is not the only medical facility in Lahairoi. There should be. Anyway, but the one who leads is Nana for some reason, but sure. Yes, command post. If I send out blah, blah, blah. Okay, all member we come. Yes, it's 31 purple here, so who's the rest? Okay, shall we do this thing? Let's go. Oh, we're gonna. Oh, yes, I remember we're gonna go to Biarwood. Description? Still the same. I wonder why. Can we just teleport? Oh, we cannot. Which means we're gonna meet someone. Ah, remember you guys, you're still here. Okay, before we go that, I wanna check. Technically, this is the location. I'm gonna check the. Since when we enter that Helios, not Helios. The second thing, the second, I mean the replica location. I don't think we saw. Yeah, this is the shit, right?
それ
The sword shit. I don't see a single member of Lakeshore. Valentina, where are you? Are we evacuating people in the Frostland, maybe? Hopefully. So there's something I wanna say here because again, back then I cannot move and just do the cutscene here. So okay, no one here. Where are you guys? Helidic 6? Are you gone now? Everyone is missing from this area. Is no one protecting this? The future? I mean, that thing, replica drive, replica. I don't know what you're gonna do with that. The whole thing with shielding, dust fill or something. We'll see. Not shielding, dust fill. Create a shield that, you know. They say something about the orbit. Maybe it's the orbit of Lyroy, not the orbit in the Frostland, which make more sense because I don't think the escape point matter outside of Lyra, like on the surface. Okay, I thought this would be okay. Never mind. Not a single one that wear Lakeshore outfit. Except for me, obviously. Wait a minute. Okay, never mind. That is the one. I see. We're gonna see Luke. Yes, Colossal Outsider Great Sword that hold up the underground dome. When we try to pick up this, is there earthquake in the Lahairoi for some reason? Oh, what is this? This so fast. What is it? Real time something something something. So basically, we're gonna update every character on the map. Team 17, Daliva. I wanna check this location. I haven't completed Daliva. The whole thing making a road over here. Can I check every location? Can I teleport? I wanna check the other. What is this? Team 7. Okay, so it's different team. Team 2, Team 6. I wanna read every single one before we do. Let's start from the bottom actually. The further away, okay, Lina was the one. From the Sword of Darkness, you tap into the Golden Freedom, full throttle now, so you'll never let her. Okay. Pre-operative, interesting. She has her own name of a team. Team 4 and Team 9, they're the last team to leave the Season 2. They probably thought about giving up more than once. Okay. Raya Frostland, in the past, they are fun. Now we want to give a sign the word future. Oh, okay. Who was these people? I don't know. Who are you? Who are you? Zahira. Oh, I remember the shop owner. Which is technically the location is around this area, the shop. Anyway, the last you could probably report to Sprio, she and the academy, you know, for them, blah 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 blah. Okay. Why Iris have a team? Since when she has been here? No one knows. How long will she stay until her sister exists? Okay, sure. Isn't Iris just standing there? I mean, technically, can we move Iris? This is the same location Iris has, the library, the archive. I mean, we have never feared only the road. Okay. Zoom out, just zoom out so I can check everyone. The first team to leave. Okay, the first team and the last team. Nana. Forgettable face. Okay. Wanted to join. Okay. Okay. What to say? Is something anime over there? Every student and teacher in this group seem destined to be a background extra in someone else's anime. What? Okay. Yeah, sure. Background extra. She says the day of Space Track Collective has been great. She is going to grow fond of his new life. A life where she has to study, play, and craft as fast as she can. Okay, now journey across the land. Okay. What about your mother? Is your mother safe, Chisa? We haven't talked about that. I forgot. Yes. Anyway, not to show. Let's walk into the one. Yep. No, the cassette made by Spectacle is just a backup. What do you mean? It's just backup. It's basically just storing your memory. I don't think it's a backup. When you die, you die. No. Bring back. Okay, I guess that's the point. Bring back team together. The device never been Watchtalker. Surprisingly, you only recently found her was again. Are we supposed to finish her the storyline before you do this? Because I don't think it's a recommended quest. What are you able? Sigma, you also here. According to Mr. Sigma, their driving habit is atrocious. Okay, who is this? Me team is of student addicted to the okay. Why you not joining? Anyway. Natasha. Who are? I don't remember Natasha. They're not even showing a face, so okay. In making CSF get through the contest danger. Maybe if I do exploration quest, I would know about Natasha. So she's a student, okay. Whoever. Okay, so we're still here currently. Wait a minute, we are here. So why rover image over here? Oh, a coordinate extract for okay. This is our location. But can I check every single one? I wanna just in case. Let's check Chisa first. Can I teleport to Chisa? I wanna see how the team holding on. Hello, you ho. Yes, I think she's stronger than most people. If you know about her during the. Hello, Chisa. Anything to say? Well, academy is supposed to be. Well, I'm just checking people. You know, I'm checking people. I mean, okay. I should option. I should check. Oh. Okay, this is what. That's why she didn't say anything. I wasn't sure if I should say something confirming. I thought you would. I would be more discouraged. Don't worry, I don't have time for self-pity. Even though Rover keep mentioning, I'm sorry everyone, I lost this Exos Rider. I'm sorry everyone. Anyway, I'll be here to you, Chisa. Okay. Alright, see you later. I want to see the other option. Okay, on you. Yes. Okay, the same description. Yeah, skip. Depressed now. Okay, the same reason. You guys have car. Wrong click. How do you? I forgot. I cannot use my bike. For some reason, I cannot pick my bike. I think I can. Oh, I can. Never mind. Yes, I can. Look, Tisa, my bike is different. Wait a minute. Did you guys just automatically disappear? Bye. Wait, why the road feel like this is battle road? Not battle road. You know, tournament road. I don't think this is fast. Wait a minute. It is. What is going on here? I think I misread. Why there people? Guys, what are you doing here? The world in danger, guys. Why are you waiting for some bike? Yeah, this is a circuit. I don't. This is the one. Okay, oh yes, I don't remember this. This is technically the first mini game about biking. Why the NPC still here? The developer forgot to erase them. They don't care about the. Anyway, let's ignore what we saw here. This is not canon. Let's teleport to the closest location. I will check everyone first before we move into the story. This is important. This is the only time we're able to do this. Remember? Hello, the biker gang. Oh, Foss, you here? Interesting. Foss, anything to say? I mean, Sensei. On the student, don't worry, ma'am. They're tricky. Don't tell me the reason why the people say in the side of the road because of these people just playing with bike. I don't think so. Anyway, don't worry, ma'am. Okay, student council member. Keep the record updated. We are not leaving anyone on the floor. Yes, ma'am. Hunting to Denia. Well. The part I forgot about, yes, in the live stream, not live stream, in the Dream Market, I remember I read that she is from the Department of Void Matter, which is, you know, Void Matter. Maybe she is Void Matter Resonator, that one. She'll be fine, so they will have to take care of that. Okay, so the teacher know about what happened with Denia. I feel like it's too, I don't know, the whole thing with Denia, okay, until we see the segue, I will not say anything. Okay. Let's move to the other one. Let's start from the bottom actually, like I said before. Are you solo, by the way? You said Lina have different description. Yeah, you solo for some reason. Oh, yeah, unique bike. I forgot about that. Okay, now why do it on the side? How do you? Can you? Okay, send it on the side, so I will do it over here. Why am I doing this? Okay, it's the other side, the other way. Okay, anyway. Why are you here alone? Are you looking for something? Searching. Okay, what do you find? Well, I'm checking on you. Many road level. Okay, so the whole thing with coordinate. Itu sudah. I remember when we talked with Lina before the whole mission began. I said, something gonna happen to Academy, and I guess it is. Currently we're doing this. I'll check the other option as usual. If there are multiple options, then I'm gonna check every single one. How is it going? Oh, the same thing. Okay, bye. Lina. Okay, this one is the last to leave the research. For some reason, the last one who lived, but somehow the furthest away. Well, Maja, we saw you. You see have trouble with your mother. Astrid, I think the name of the mother. Ovid, you don't show up in the. Should I know you? Your hair is unique, but anyway. Long time ago, okay. I lost in the whole. My mother did escape in the life of okay. Blah 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 blah. Yes. Worry all. To me, I'm getting distracted. But okay. Is they the only one? Okay. Oh, there are more people here. Hello. Maja's team. And how are you? Whose team are you? There are two teams here technically.
Iko.
Okay, Maja is the only one that important by name. Team what? 4 and 9. This one is the whole science thing. I don't know who this is again. What? Let's see. Science and stuff. Okay, I don't know who are you. I mean, maybe I should, but I don't. Again, I haven't explored, so the only one I know probably the one who I seen in the main story, and maybe when I randomly seen them on the way, but I don't know who you are. Okay, they saw only one character showing up the name, but then these people have name. Tove? I know Tove. Yes, I remember Tove. Tove was the one in the, yes, the one with the small, the one with one of the character we asked for the clue about the guy, Ingvar. She was the one with another solid skin in that fire camp area, near fire camp area. Okay, she did for crime. I know if that make have ruined. Easy to get to, but Celestia saw me away before. Marigold, if you know it. Oh yes. Is it the name Marigold? I don't remember. I guess it is the Marigold. The name of the Soleskin. No, that's just for to protect the unless Marigold is someone else, I don't remember. But I heard the name Marigold before. I don't remember who is Marigold. I forgot. So they talk about science, interesting. Next, let's go to you, team. The first to leap. Let's see who's this. The first to leap. We still haven't seen Luke. Maybe one of them will be Luke. Cody. I think I remember Cody. Maybe I remember Saki, yeah, for sure. Who's Cody? Do I know you? Well, let me set the rune. Hold on. I'll say bye. What if the big information also? I mean, possibly they protect together and we laboratory student stuck. Yeah, you here, Sensei. And maybe you can set your question, Professor. You know, what are your fair share? Right from close, look at the situation. Okay. Yes, she is. We're gonna see her soon again. Since we're gonna go to BR Wood, I assume we're gonna see Hiyuki there. Who's this? Team 2. Oh, the whole thing with backup. I wonder who this is. So far, we haven't seen anyone from the event quest. Only world quest, exploration, and Slam. This is something that I find it funny. He is the only one who saw his own. I mean, he the one who saw, basically a Grand Architect copying his look. That's what I assume. Remember what Ansem and Luke said at the end of Act 2, I think. And in that scene, this is the only reason that I assume Nifora is alive, because Ansem would somehow copy appearance of by Grand Architect also still alive. So, but so far I don't feel that's what happened with Nifora, but who knows? Again, Nifora has the thing, Tasset Mark. You know that people with Tasset Mark usually, at least so far, always be playable. Well, we see another one with Tasset Mark as well. Dalifa, we're gonna check Dalifa, because I assume she will be playable. I guess it's not. Maybe this is the first time they use an NPC as. I mean, technically these people are Resonator. I assume every single student and teacher is a Resonator, considering that Startos Academy was this description originally. I don't remember the exact detail. But so far, in the past, for NPC Resonator, we never seen them showing dataset marks. So maybe they change the way they do with that. Anyway, let's read. We don't do motorbike. Wait a minute, did you guys lost motorbike? Please don't cross your path. Exactly, I'm younger. Absolutely not. I'm a problem student. Students. Okay, yeah, that one is student. This one is not. Just like you. What you are. This is what I want to see when Ark. Remember Ark 1 when we are the one who dealing with Void Worm alone with. I mean, only two of us with Linai. And no one in the RI. I feel like this is what's supposed to happen back then. There's some people, there's teacher who doing the stuff in the RI which are always ready on the go in case of something happen, like Void Worm, but that never happen. So I guess I mean this is much better than that. because it's a finale or something. But I don't think it's not. I don't think some detail need just to happen during the finale. But I don't know. I'm interested in Iris, by the way. What is she doing now? That she technically, can she transfer her thing inside the Stardust Academy? Because I mean, inside the institute instead of this location, or she permanently stuck here? Iris. Okay, I cannot say anything. Okay, you just. Okay, this is the first location where we teleport, but we have no one to talk to. Interesting. What do you guys say about Iris? Can you repeat it? Because I didn't pay attention. Do it again, please. Repeat the dialogue. Oh, I see. Yep, I don't think it's that fellow classmate. Yeah, very sure. Let's go see Zahira. I only talked with her in one of the quests when we're searching for someone. So what I remember is that she owned a shop, but that's it. Hello, Zahira. I want to run area sale of benefits pro. I should. See, Zahira doesn't have asset mark, so she's not possible playable character. So anyway, nothing about Montes. I don't remember if we saw Zahira say something, but I think she did when we searched for something. I don't remember what we searched. Did you search anything before? I don't remember, but I think we did. I don't know. It's been a while. Moving on to the next location. Let's go to the medical team. Well, not really medical team. This is like the NPC thing, the background character. What do you mean? Background character? Who is this background character? Okay, wait. We cannot talk to Nana for some reason. Nana, do you know where Luke is? Is he on a secret hideout? So, background character. I mean, everyone looks the same, so that's just this team. Okay, nothing to say with Nana as well, but she says something about Ting. Nothing about Luke. I was hoping any update on Luke. I guess not. Well, Sefi, I remember you. Hello, memory type resonator. I mean teacher. Well, listen in there. Yes, I'm here. By the way, I'm not a freshman. I am ancient. More likely she volunteer. Is not really sure. Whatever. Maybe she's not the woman who needs to die. Besides, what are you saying? What does seem to have a taste of chasing after the kind of trouble people words about? We just met once, by the way, but okay, sure. This one is asking, interestingly, about Lucilla for some reason. Maybe because Sefi here. What description here? We never fair. I don't think. Okay, it doesn't say anything about anything else. We saw this? The first team, yeah, we know that. We saw this. We saw Chisa. We saw everyone on this path. Sigma, we're closer, so we're gonna do that. Let's do. I kind of wanna check the secret hideout, but there's no teleportation over here, which means it's not possible to go to the hideout anyway. Not to mention, I think I unlocked the road, but the road is missing. So this one doesn't have a road. They assume that we haven't done the road mission, meaning that the Dalifa is not. The Dalifa don't know us. Maybe she does. I will see. Just the trash can also here. Or maybe Dalifa's friend. I don't remember her name. She has someone. See, look at her. Well, look at her over there. There, yeah, that's a tacit mark. So unless they just making new idea that NPC also will be shown with asset mark, then maybe Nivora and Dalifa is not playable. I mean, the design very normal, so I don't think so, but you know, maybe, who knows, right? We actually haven't seen her voice, so I guess not. But Nivora, however, I mean, Grasitech. There was a story of time, you just save us, it's nothing, I remember the method reading this way. You talk about this, that back to the end, do you send your topic work? Well, you don't know about her. What you have building this road? I mean, me building this road. Well, either way. Okay. Interesting. One more. After that, we stop to end the video. We don't even. I think we just start. No. We don't even start this any scene. We just looking at this for. Well, I spent like 30 minutes talking about. Yeah, Natasha, you are the one how I never seen. What you saw on the description on the map. That girl's no response. Okay, it's not Natasha, Nastasia. Not Nastasia, I don't know. Who is that girl? Oh, is it Denia? We have homework. Oh, who? I'm talking about Denia because I need to say. Save it. I'm the director. I'll go. It's at home. So the cassette is like it's not a backup. It's more like a black box. Even though we never heard anything about. I mean, I guess they did search the cassette for Amiat whereabouts, but they didn't find anything. We never know because we never seen that. So I assume the best, I guess. And that's all. Oh no, really, Sigma, the last one. After this, we're gonna continue in the next episode, which I will do immediately. Well, not really. I need to charge my phone. Sigma. You guys the closest to BR World. So I understand that counting data information. I mean, array and comments. Yes, the Miko. We're gonna see her soon when we're dealing with that PR board thing. Okay, so that's all. There's nothing to say after this. So yeah, that's all for this video. I didn't really do anything much. We're just talking. Which is well the only thing we do for now. So yeah, we're gonna see when we continue the main story, when we do the enter Biarwood and then dealing with things. Probably Hyuki will be there. Maybe Luke. I don't know where Luke is currently. Maybe he is secretly searching for Fraxidus, considering he the one who know about them. I ran out of fuel. I mean gas, nose or whatever. Anyway, until next time. Bye.